If you're looking for the biggest Bluehost discount available right now, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to get up to 70% off Bluehost hosting with pricing starting as low as $2.99 per month, plus a free domain name on annual plans. I've added the exclusive Bluehost discount link in the description below so you don't pay full price. Quick disclosure, the link in the description is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the best Bluehost pricing available. Here's how the Bluehost discount works. Click the Bluehost link in the description. The discount automatically applies at checkout. No coupon code needed, it's already built into the link. Important to note, the free domain name is included on annual plans only. Monthly plans do not include a free domain name. Let's break down the Bluehost plans and the exact savings you can get right now. The starter plan is perfect for beginners, bloggers, and small websites. Up to 70% off, as low as $2.99 a month, 10 websites, free domain for 1 year, annual plans only, free SSL certificate, 10 GB NVMe storage, one-click WordPress installation. This is the cheapest way to get started with Bluehost and works great for first-time WordPress sites. If you want more performance and flexibility, the business plan is a solid upgrade. Up to 57% off, as low as $5.99 a month, 50 websites, 50 GB NVMe storage, free domain for 1 year, annual plans only, domain privacy is free for the first year, weekly website backups. This is ideal if you're running multiple sites or expect more traffic. For online stores, Bluehost offers the eCommerce Essentials plan, up to 36% off, as low as $13.99 a month, built specifically for WooCommerce, secure online payments, store management tools, free domain for 1 year, annual plans only. This plan is best if you're launching a serious online store and want everything set up out of the box. Bluehost is a great choice if you're starting a blog or personal website, building your first WordPress site, creating a small business website, starting an online store, looking for affordable hosting with easy setup. To get the maximum Bluehost discount, click the link in the description below. You get up to 70% off, pricing as low as $2.99 per month, and a free domain name on annual plans. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more hosting deals and tutorials, and leave a comment if you have questions.